How to make a private story on Snapchat. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Hemi Jarvis. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make private stories on your Snapchat. All right, now to do this is very simple and very easy. Just make sure you watch this entire video, and if you follow the steps outlined in this video, and then you should be good to go. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, guys, is, of course, make sure that you download Snapchat to your phone so that you can open the app up. All right. So once you see the Snapchat app right here on your phone, just click on it so that you can open up the Snapchat app. All right. Now, once the app is open, you want to click on your profile, right? As you can see, I went to the top of the screen here, right there, and clicked on this profile. All right, click on your profile picture. Then once you do that, you will see a screen that looks like this, guys. What you're going to do now is simply, you're going to simply click on new story, which is right here. It's a plus sign, and then it says new story. All right. And this is how you're going to be able to create a private new story for your Snapchat. You click on new story. Once you click new story, you will look at the bottom here and you will see it says private story, and then it says custom story. So what you want to do is do a private story. So you click on it right there, and then only you will be able. All right. So now you just click on create story. Hold on. I'm just going to, I guess you pick one of these, right? Pick one, and then you go to create story, and then name your story. I'll just leave it as is. You can name it whatever you want. I'm gonna hit done, and boom, that's how you create a private story. As you can see right here, and boom, you can add a story right there, and there you go, guys. So, all right, so hopefully this video was helpful on how to create a private story on Snapchat. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.